If you're a programmer or want to be one, then this channel should be right up your alley. Hello and welcome. My name is Tim Bachalka and thanks for checking out this YouTube channel. I've trained around 500,000 people how to program over the past 35 years that I've been a software developer and teacher. I've created a bunch of programming courses that you can find more out about right here on this channel. Those courses cover languages and frameworks such as Java, Python, C++, Android app development, the Spring Framework, Rush and Xamarin, just to name a few. Firstly though, if you want to grab my free career programming guide, then click the link showing at the top right of this video and download it now, because it contains answers to the questions most asked by my students about their programming careers. Chances are that your question is already answered in that guide, and I personally think it'll be very beneficial for you to read. Secondly, check out the various playlists of programming courses that I've got on this channel. There are courses for complete beginners all the way through to seasoned veterans. So that's it for now. Check out the links to everything at the end of this video, and thanks again for visiting.